इन अ कंट्री जहाँ पे एक नॉर्मल इंसान को एक प्रॉपर लोन नहीं मिलता बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ गुड क्रेडिट स्कोर या कोलैटरल, उसी देश में रिच एंड very powerful people often get away with massive amount of bank defaults and frauds. और ये तो हमने बहुत बार न्यूज़ में भी देखा है and it has happened very recently in some of our cities also if you might be following the news. So आज जिस रिव्यू के बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं, आज जिस सीरीज के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, that exactly deals with stories of few of such people. So hey guys, what's up and welcome to That's What She Said. And today we are going to review the docu-series Bad Boy Billionaires. Well, firstly, it's a docu-series, which means it's a documentary series. And it has 3 episodes which deals with the life of certain people who have had a very meteoric rise and an equally dramatic plunging fall in their lives. We know these people, we have heard about them in the news, but this is probably one of the first very comprehensive takes about their lives and their stories so far. So this has been directed by Dylan Mohan Gray and Minnow Productions ने इन series को बनाया है. And of course, as expected, it was very expected from this series. This series also has run into a legal controversy क्योंकि कुछ लोग जो इस series में feature होते हैं, they had procured a court का stay order on the release of the series. So जो originally 2nd September को release होने वाला था, after a month long legal battle, अब वो finally 5th October को जाके release हुआ है. And this series has come out with 3 episodes, as I said. Original series was supposed to have Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi, Subrata Roy and Ramalinga Raju की stories. हैदराबाद कोर्ट ने उस stay order को तब भी तक नहीं हटाया था, so Netflix went ahead only with the stories of Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi and Subrata Roy. Well, you should watch this series because it's a documentary series, 1 hour long. And it talks about, like, each episode talks about one of these guys. Like the first episode, like Vijay Mallya, guy was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. He practically introduced the concept of draft beer in India. So अगर आप एक गरीब college student हो, you kind of owe something to him also. And from what he was to how did he manage to make this larger than life brand of Kingfisher. And after that, thereafter, we know what happened. And the second episode is about Nirav Modi, the guy who comes from a not so extravagant background, but a very well-established background of diamond tears in Surat. And he had this dream, a dream which was larger than himself, and he wanted to take the jewelry scene in India to a global platform. Imagine an Indian brand which would probably compete with the likes of Christie's and Tiffany's. And he almost kind of got there. But at what cost, we kind of know. इस controversy के चलते letter of undertakings and recently a public sector bank was also under great scrutiny. The story of Subrata Roy, how a man एक स्कूटर पे करके जो गांव में घर घर जाके लोगों को he practically introduced the concept of saving schemes in the lives of many people, and now he is still facing the charges of apparently running a chit fund which did not return the money of the investors. He scammed over I don't know how many crores, इतने zeros भी नहीं देखे होंगे. He scammed lot of people who are ordinary daily wage earners out of their money. So these are the stories जो आपको देखने को मिलेंगी. These are really interesting documentary interviews which have been conducted, a very well researched and a comprehensive series. And one thing that I really like about is because the interviews have been conducted, you get to see all the 3 the points of views, which is people who are extremely attached to the people and they give a very positive and hopeful outlook. people who are neutral, they are fact checkers and they are fact collectors. They did a lot of investigative groundwork and they are presenting their thoughts of views. And people who absolutely abhor और जिनको वो megalomaniacs करके बुलाते हैं and they do not like them at all. So it kind of gives you a very balanced and a comprehensive, well spread out outlook. If you ask me to rate this series, honestly, it is a documentary series. So there is nothing much that I can say for the storyline. But I personally would give it like, oh my god, all four stars. Because I find it very interesting the way it has been well researched, compiled and put out. And honestly, I was still waiting for the fourth one. So let's hope that the fourth episode comes out soon for this season. You should watch this because in our country, we usually get very easily carried away with something. मतलब किसी भी चीज़ को larger than life या glamorous बना देते हैं, उस पर थोड़ा extra shine sparkle अगर डाल दें, it becomes very attractive for the people and we often forget to question the series of events which led to the magnanimity of that. ये हुआ कैसे, ये आया कहाँ से, हम often वो चीज़ पूछना भूल जाते हैं. And there is this line which is very beautifully given in the series. I'm probably paraphrasing here, मुझे याद नहीं है, but it kind of goes like कि the burden or the brunt of corruption is often faced by the poor people or the common people of the country, the people who pay taxes. And we have seen this in numerous cases क्योंकि more often than not there are many public sector banks which are involved and essentially technically they run on taxpayers' money. So watch it to be a more informed citizen, no harm in that. And reasons for not watching it is only because if you're not interested in documentary or that real life interview kind of a format of shows, you might want to give it a miss in that sense. But otherwise, I would really recommend everyone to give it a watch. Like it is a very well comprehensive outlook about the stories that we have only read in newspapers. जो बहुत excerpts में हमको मिले हैं, उसको एक काफी complete सा एक outlook देखने को मिलता है उसका. So let me know what you feel about this series and this review in the comments below. And do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys.